All right, Dave, here are the dental islands. There's four of these. It's a little tough to try my best here to get some dimensions, but if we look at it from this point, I can give you some measurements. So where these butt into this wall right here, so I'll be measuring from that corner to where the radius starts, this straight piece, and then I can give you the distance across and then how big this radius is. Let's see here. 41.5, and then the distance across here is 22.5. That's the cabinet case, and the radius is, come on computer, and then the radius is 11 inches. So from the furthest away point to that panel is 52.5. You guys should have the sink dimensions, and this is solid surface Corian, I believe, in here. Yeah, let's see, look at it. Yeah, solid surface. So we've got these guys for 1/2 inch build up by you guys and then 1/2 inch Corian. All right, let me know if that works. Thanks.